Going to be a huge trend heading into 2024. They're back. Walmart has upped their game so much recently, so we're going to run through some of the new arrivals / best sellers that you are not going to want to miss from Walmart. Some really great look for less pieces, just some staple coats, accessories, shoes, and more. So make sure to stay tuned to the end, grab a cup of coffee, and like always, everything will be linked down below in the description box in order that you've seen them in today's video, as well as the top comment down in the comment section too. Kicking it off with this white jacket. I have tried out so many different jackets, and this one is probably one of my favorites. There's a reason why this is a bestseller. Under $30, and this one can kind of just be worn with a tank top over top of it. It can also be worn alone, buttoned up. It has pockets, and it just lays really nicely. It's not itchy at all. I'm wearing my true to size small. It does feature that oversized fit, but it is available in sizes extra small through extra large and comes in 2 more color options. I love styling it with some faux leather leggings and some little booties for just a comfortable, effortless look. And over top of that, I did pair this quilted coat, which is the best J. Crew look for less. I am so impressed for the price. This is under $40, runs true to size, cinches at the waist, and is just so incredibly flattering, and available in sizes small through 3X, comes in a black and an olive color. And of course, to complete the look, we had to throw on this adorable beanie and scarf sets. They are actually sold separately, but I mean, the print on these are adorable and they're selling like hotcakes. Come in 4 different color options. I love the fleece inside of the hat. It keeps your head so cozy warm, and I feel like the gloves, like it's just the accessory that when you wear them out and about, people are like, where did you get that? Yeah, Walmart. If you're like me and you're like, I'm not about super bulky jackets, guys, this one looks so similar to the J. Crew one, but for a fraction of the price. It is more of a mid-weight jacket. So it is a little bit of a lighter material, but has that gorgeous kind of J. Crew style quilted design, functional snap buttons the whole way down the front. But I love the fact that it has little like drawstrings right here that you can kind of cinch it in. So it's one of those coats that is very flattering. If you live in an area where it's not quite so cold, this would be a really great option. But just in general, it's a really great coat to keep in your wardrobe. It is available in sizes extra small through 3X, wearing true to size small. It does have pockets on the side as well. And I also really love this one as a really great workwear option. So this is one you can definitely dress up a little bit. I just have it paired with my go-to under $20 faux leather leggings. I prefer these to my Spanx faux leather leggings. I think they're more comfortable. They wash and wear so well, and then I completed the look with some black Chelsea boots this time instead. I know I'm always looking for just like easy everyday casual outfits to throw on. This little flannel is amazing. It is under $18, the softest material. I actually loved it so much that I got it in more than one color. This one kind of has just a bunch of pink and maroon colors going through it. Perfect to layer as well. You can throw a vest on top of this, a cardigan as it starts to get chillier out. I just have it paired with my favorite Walmart cargo pants. Oh my goodness, if you have not tried these, you guys, they have a stretchy band up here, nice deep pockets. I have them cupped a little bit down at the bottom because I love the kind of 7/8 length with like some little chain loafers. I have the black backpack paired with it. These pants do run true to size. They do come in a few other color options. The top is 100% cotton, so it's extremely breathable, so comfortable. I'm telling you guys, these are like a flannel you are definitely going to want to have in your fall and winter wardrobe, and this is just like an easy, comfortable style. Cargo pants are so on trend right now, and it can be hard to find ones that are comfortable, and I can tell you I have tried so many out, and these are the most comfortable pair, and the actual like style and fit of them is really cute and flattering as well. Definitely ones to try out if you've been wanting to find a pair of cargo pants that are also
really affordable. Another way to style that flannel is to throw on this ribbed cape sweater. I just feel like all of these pieces feel so high-end. This feels kind of like something I would have gotten at Nordstrom. Really nice fabric. Now this is a one size fits all, so it's a nice stretchy fabric, kind of loose and oversized. Comes in 2 other color options that I might grab because I love this one so much. I love the fact that you can throw like a flannel or a long sleeve underneath of it, but still be super casual and put together with like leggings and the little booties. So this one, the fabric is really soft. It's a nice ribbed material. So this definitely would be a great option to wear also for the office. You could throw this on with some black slacks, any colored slack, and a white top, and you would be good to go. Cozy warm, but also really put together. So with this, I just paired the flannel and then my favorite Spanx Look for Less leggings from Walmart. Oh my gosh, I actually reach for these more than my Spanx now. They're just the best. They're high-waisted, they run true to size, and then the booties that I shared. And then here are the booties that I shared in the beginning. I love the way that they hug the ankles. They're not like a really chunky style boot, which I feel like this like Chelsea style boot can oftentimes be chunky. So comfortable. The memory padding is incredible and the heel height is perfect, and they're also very easy to walk in. You don't feel like they're like clunky or anything. And I feel like the gold jewelry just goes perfectly with this sweater. This little handbag caught my eye. I feel like it is the perfect addition to your winter purse collection because it's so practical. I love backpacks. You can just practically wear casually and you can dress it up a little bit since it is that really nice faux suede. I got it in the black. This is the Layla backpack, but it does come in 2 other color options you can check out. It does have adjustable straps. It also has a little handle and you can fit so much in here. It just has a little snap closure and there's tons and tons of room in there that you can fit all of your necessities. So this is great for casual everyday wear. This is great for moms. And you guys, it's under $17. I feel like this gives me high-end vibes, something I would spend well over $50 for. Under $17, you can't beat that. Under $25, let's talk about this gray tunic. Especially being pregnant, love to have like tunic sweater tops that are long enough that I can wear with faux leather leggings. This one's $25, comes in a few color options. Available in sizes small through 2XL, and it's a really nice soft thin material. So this one's going to be really easy to layer with a vest, with a coat throughout the cooler months. I did size up to medium, long enough to cover the bum, and over top of that I did layer this new coat. This blue puffer coat is a winter staple. Amazing reviews on Walmart's website for good reason. It comes in probably 8 to 10 other color options. It features a pocket. Now it is more of a cropped style, so I feel like this goes perfectly with jeans or leggings if you feel comfortable. But just the quality of this just feels like something you would get from like Abercrombie for a fraction of the price. And winter, it's chilly out. We know we love our cozies. You can opt for these white joggers. I feel like joggers kind of are hit or miss for me on my 5'9" frame. Sometimes they can be kind of short and just like kind of awkward, but the material on these are so nice. They have an adjustable drawstring, a comfortable waistline. They feature pockets, the perfect length with a 20-inch inseam. Available in sizes extra small through 2X. Comes in 2 other color options, and I did size up to medium just because I am 26 weeks pregnant, but otherwise true to size. And it does also come with a matching set if you want to grab that. When it's cold outside, I love just a classic sweater dress. Now this one is great because it's going to be really versatile. So again, there's lots of ways that you can layer and style this. I wanted to show you kind of the design of it. It is 42 inches from the top to the bottom, so it's a really great longer style. My suggestion if you're more petite is you could throw on like a thin belt around the center and just kind of like pull it up a little bit, and that would be adorable as well. You obviously could layer this with some, throw on a denim jacket with this. You can throw on a vest. There's just lots of ways to switch it up, but I like the dress so much I actually got it in the cream color as well. It's a really nice soft fabric. Love the stripe detailing going on. Available in sizes extra small through 3X, and I'm wearing my true to size small. As you can see, it is that really nice fitted style, very flattering, so it'd be a great, casual date night church outfit or workwear option.
You'll come for the sleeves, but you'll stay for comfort with this green top. I love the bell sleeves. So stunning. This would be a really great casual or workwear option with the gorgeous ribbed material. It is nice and flattering and fitted throughout the waistline, but then that little sleeve touch is just perfection. Under $25, available in sizes extra small through 2X, and comes in 2 other color options. And then over top of this, I did layer this black cropped vest. I am such a sucker for a good vest in the winter season. I feel like they do such a good job at keeping your body heated, keeping you super cozy warm. This is by a newer brand to Walmart. Love the sleek design of this. If you're looking for more of a pop of color, it does come in 3 other color options. Now I'm wearing my true to size small here, but I feel like it runs a little bit on the smaller side. So it's available in sizes extra small through 3X, but I would say especially if you want to wear this with chunky sweaters, I would suggest sizing up 1 size. But it does feature pockets, a functional zip, and a hood. Under $20, you guys, I am convinced. Like, you guys know if you've watched, my channel in the past, but Joyspun pajamas by Walmart are truly the best. So you can get this whole set for under $20. And I mean, it's that super soft velour material that you just don't want to get out of. I love this maroon color. It comes in so many color options now. Does run true to size, has a nice elastic waistband, so it doesn't feel like anything's restricting, which I don't like to feel anything tight when I'm sleeping. So it's a nice loose fit, has functional pockets on both sides, and it's a nice wide leg style. So again, nothing is really holding tight to you that could make you feel uncomfortable. It does have functional buttons the whole way down the front. And I just wish you all could come through the camera and feel how silky soft they are. This also would make a really great gift idea, or honestly just a gift for yourself. Under $20, and you have the coziest cute pajamas. I mean, you can see ones on Nordstrom for very similar to this for a much higher price point. So Walmart is definitely the way to go. Huge trend that is going to be staying and sticking through 2024 are Mary Jane flats. They are back, and this pair is under $15 from Walmart. Stop what you're doing and go grab these. These are the most comfortable little flats. They have the softest sole. I would say if you're in between sizes, you could size up 1/2 size. I did pair it with this gorgeous slip dress, which a black slip dress is truly such a timeless piece. Easy to layer with a sweater, dressier for work, more casual if you want to throw on a sweater and tie it up in the front. But these Mary Janes, their reviews on Walmart do not lie. So comfortable, and I love to wear them with little leggings and a sweater like the gray one I shared, or obviously dressier with the black slip dress. The black slip dress does run true to size. Available in sizes extra small through 3XL, and comes in a gorgeous pink and a light mint green option. But the material is really nice and thick, so it's not see-through. And sometimes with slip dresses, I feel like they can be really staticky and stick to you, and I did not get that with this dress. If you enjoyed today's Walmart try-on haul, make sure to give this a thumbs up. Let me know which was your favorite down below. I've just been so impressed with Walmart recently. I just loved filming this. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with all the new arrivals that come from Walmart. Bye.